Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing good. Today our learning topic is friction. Friction is a force which slows down or stops the moving object. It always acts on the opposite direction of the moving object. In this picture, the ball moves in this direction while friction acts on the opposite direction of the rolling ball. After some distance, the ball stops. Why friction is produced here? Because the surface of the ball and the table are rough. They are not perfectly smooth. That's why friction is produced here. Because the rough surfaces produce more friction as compared to the smooth surfaces. And it always acts when we try to slide one thing over another surface. And when two things comes in contact with each other. Friction also produces some heat. For example, the tires of fast moving vehicles get heated due to the friction. Or if we rub this eraser against the page, then we will feel the surface of the eraser get heated due to the friction between the surface of the eraser and the page. If you roll a ball across a table, it will continue rolling for some distance and then come to rest. You used a force to start the ball rolling, but what stopped it? The ball slowed down and came to a halt because of friction. Halt means cause to stop. Rub your palms together several times. What do you feel? Your palms feel warmer. Why is this? When two objects rub against each other, they cause friction. Friction produces heat. Friction is a force that can be produced even if the surface of two objects just touch each other, just come into contact with each other. Friction slows down, stops, or makes it hard for an object to move. So it can be both helpful and can also create some problems for us. Now we will see how friction can be helpful for us or create some problem for us. First of all, we will discuss advantages of friction. Due to friction, we can write on the paper, we can walk on the ground, we can ride, and we can play on the ground. Friction plays an important role in our daily lives. It is helpful to us in many ways. The friction between your shoes and the ground stops you from slipping. How? The ridges and grooves on the sole of the shoes, when rubbed against the floor or ground, then friction is produced, and due to friction we can easily walk on the ground. Frictional force helps cars to move forward without slipping on the road. Friction helps you to write. How? Friction between the graphite in the pencil and the sheet of a paper leave a mark on the paper. Think about what happens if the ground is slippery. You slip and fall because the amount of friction is less. Why do tires have tread on them? Tread means grooves. It is because they are designed to give a good grip on the road. The pencil would slip out of your fingers if there were no friction between the pencil and your fingers. Without friction, your pencil would run over the page, not leaving a mark. Now we will discuss the disadvantages of friction. Friction can also create some problems. Anytime you want to move an object, friction can make that job more difficult. How? Friction produces heat, and that's why this heat heats up also the parts of the machines. Rough surfaces have more friction than plain and smooth surfaces. Since it creates heat, friction can become a problem when working with machines. And the sole of our shoes, pencil and eraser are worn out due to the friction. These are the common examples we can see in our daily life. Friction also tends to wear away things, causing damage. For example, the soles of your shoes, your pencil and eraser wear away due to friction. Anything that you would like to slide easily would work better without friction. We'll discuss the exercise question number 5, part 7. State any two situations where friction can be helpful, and answer on page number 72. It is helpful to us in many ways. Here 3 advantages of friction are given. You can write 2 of them of your choice. And the next statement is, state any 2 situations where friction can be a problem. How can these problems be solved? And the answer on also page number 72. Friction can also create some problems. It creates heat and can become a problem when working with machines. And the second disadvantage is, friction also tends to wear away things, causing damage. For example, the soles of your shoes, your pencil and eraser wear away due to friction. These problems can be solved by lubricating, smoothing or polishing surfaces. Friction is decreased. Okay students, hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.